What's good with the gang, and I'm back with another banger ski, and you can already tell from the title and the thumbnail what's going on. It's been a lot of controversy that's going on about these 28 by 12 inch wheels that's going on this 87 Chevy Landau. Yeah, I call it a Landau. Most people call it a Landau, and I just want to show you how to make your dreams come true and make these 28 by 12 inch Forgiatos fit on your Chevy Caprice Landau. It might be a lot of people on 28s, but it ain't a lot of people on 28 by 12s. And that brings me to my next exhibit, 28 by 12 inch potlucks. Yeah, you read it right, potlucks. And I just want to separate the boys from the men. I know you done heard the saying before, men do what they want, boys do what they can. I seen somebody in the comments say, those are not 12 inch rims. He must not know how to do math. Let me break it down to you. This lip is 9 inches. 9 inches solid. Then you got the back barrel that's 3 inches. 9 plus 3 is 12, right? Then it's 28 inches. So 28 by 12. Okay, now we got that covered. Let's compare and contrast your family potluck pot against a 9-inch lip. I don't know if your brain can fathom how much rice can fit in a potluck pot. Do you understand how much a potluck pot can feed at least 50 people? Most people brain mental capacity can't even understand how big a potluck pot is. Then to imagine what 28 by 12 inch wheels gonna fit on the 87 Chevy Caprice Landau. I can really say I'm riding on pots. And if rice in a pot ain't enough, you can actually put a human inside of a 28 by 12. This my boy Hector right here. We call him JoJo. And he can fit in the 28 by 12. I don't really think y'all understand the rate of where this is going. I know you wondering and thinking, how is he going to make 28 by 12s fit on the Chevy Caprice 87 Landau? Money. It's going to take a lot of that. And this here, my fellow non-believers, this is what 28 by 12 look like on the Chevy Caprice Landau. If that wasn't enough, I don't know what to tell you. 28 by 12 on the 87 Chevy Caprice Landau. I'm just trying to give y'all a vision before I hit the streets and cause ruckus, mayhem. Well, I know you're wondering, thinking, how much money? Well, let's do the math. 9-inch forward rear end, $2,000. 6-piston brakes, $4,000. Suspension, $5,000. That ain't even including tubbing and bracing, paying the person to do the work. Now, do I need all that to make these wheels fit? Probably not. Could I go a cheaper route? Probably could. Do I really want to? I don't. Just depending on the circumstances and what really makes sense. When I see cars like this, it motivates me because it's go big or go home. Ain't no half stepping. I just want to show y'all the games I came to not play. 101, 28 by 12 inch Forgiatos. And I know you thinking, oh my God, his rims glow in the dark. But they don't. I want you to see the vision that I have and watch me execute this plan on this 87 Chevy Caprice Landau. And y'all think I came to play 28 by 16s? Let me show you what it take to fit these type of wheels. We got the frame notch. As you can see, the frame has been cut out. Now we go to the back where the trunk has to be tubbed out. Like I said before, you just can't put these wheels on. You're gonna have to get fab work done. So that being said, look at all the fab work that had to be done to fit those 28 by 16s. Yes, this is money. You have to spend money to get this type of look that you want on your Caprice Landau. You don't believe shit stink, do you? Until you see 28 by 12s or even wider, 28 by 16, it's gonna leave your face with a shitty face.